Hey y'all, welcome back. I wanted to do another update on my warship count. Here's all of them. I just bought a bunch of low tiers too. Just love playing with them in my spare time. But yeah, here's what I got. I can't even count, what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 boats. Pretty good. I had to sell my Wonder 10 because it just wasn't any use and I didn't really want it anyways. Let's use the calling wood. I'm just gonna put my economic bonuses up. I love these things. These things really do help. Oh shoot. And I might change the paint because that's the free paint. That's the one that I use a lot. So we'll change it up. What do we want to do? Let's do, what is this? We can either, here, we'll do, yeah, we'll do black again. Or, yeah, we'll do shadow work. So, let's just do a random battle. I don't feel like doing anything else, like a random operation or something. And it takes too long to get in when we're doing a random operation. I guess with this one, we can get in pretty quick. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I uploaded one just now. But this is just to show my warship count and all my stuff. Alright, here we go. We have tier 9s, which is going to be annoying as hell. At least we get in Iowa. And then, so we get the turret biz, which is good. I have the Savetsky. I love that thing so much. It's such a good boat. I'm gonna totally die in this. I'm only tier 7 on my team. So, and I happen to be the crappiest tier 7
stations.
So shells are big, but they're slow at long range.
Hard time.
Who do we have right here? King George. Tier 8. I think she not be a tier 8, bro. It's got really small guns.
Awaiting instructions.
I used to crush that thing all of my time with my whatever stock. There's the Iowa. Tier 9. Savetsky's so much better. I mean, when I'm using it, those turrets move like so fast. I can swing my turrets around and Iowa's on the other side. It's so easy to just sit it out. Then again, the Iowa is a low health battleship. And cause that's, pretty sure that's Iowa with its second hull. Oh god. No, but Savetsky's has a little bit more. This thing is just slow, dude. And it's such an easy citadel too when you put all 3 guns in front of the ship. Like, design flaw. Not even fast too, I mean, they're not even fast moving guns. Well, I mean, never mind.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Never mind, they actually are. They're pretty fast. They're like as good as the Farukatas. Come on, I love the gun dip. Watch this. Move the guns to the other side. You got that up. That one have the dip down. Going right underneath the turret. That's a really cool design. I feel like this battle's gonna be ended quick due to the fact that I'm trying to take it long range, and this is where my weaknesses are at. I have 19-kilometer range. I can't hit anybody pretty far. So Prince Eugene.
Enemy battleship sighted.
Oh, I can see Duke of York, and I can see the other Duke of York. There's 2 of them. What? Oh my god.
Well done, Commander.
See if I can Citadel. Maybe. Come on, go for the rear. Let's do a rear Citadel. Oh, I got 2. Oh my gosh. Kaziwadi. It's a lot of damage.
Attention. Reporting the target position.
And let's see if we can get another Citadel. That one was pretty good. That was 2 Citadels into Duke York. It's not a Citadel, but 15,000 damage, pretty good. So basically I took half of Duke York's health. He's gotta be pissed. The fact that this easily Citadel ship can hit his high ass health. Well, he only has 60,000. Is he moving? Oh, I can't tell. Yeah, he is, just barely. Those shells were very inaccurate. Dispersion was horrible. Yep, no Citadel. Let's turn it a little bit more. Takashi's over here, North Carolina's right over here too. Somebody pissed North Carolina off, man. He's low.
Well done, Commander.
Okay, Duke York is dead. He got a taste of his own meat. Okay, North Carolina's. Oh shit.
The ship is on fire. Torpedoes dead ahead. Torpedoes to
Oh
starboard.
my god.
Well done, Commander.
I walked straight into the trap.
Good show. Problem solved, sir.
And I'm dead.
Attention. Reporting the target position.
I'm just gonna stay undetected now. Detectability range is 14 kilometers. As long as I don't shoot, then I can regain most of my health back. I love the regen on this thing. It's really good. You can get a lot of health back very... Oh, somebody was a dick. Yep, Takashi, I hate you. Wasn't even ready yet. And then Duke of York is being a penis again. Oh my god.
Main turret
Really?
critically damaged. The ship is on fire.
Oh, now I'm dead. That's GG's, bruh. Come on, 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 come on. Oh, I'm dead. Yep, North Carolina's about to kill. Oh, what? How?
All stations reporting strategic target. Target penetrated. Problem solved, sir.
Oh my god. How do I manage to sit it out here? How do I manage to live that, dude? That is a miracle. Oh my god. I was on 300 health at one time. Okay, Duke York is dead. Nice, thank you, King George. 78,000 damage already, dude. That's a pretty decent amount. Takashi's dead. Just taking Iowa. Oh, Iowa's mounted without the torps. Iowa walked straight into the trap. He's got low health. Oh my god. The bad for him. I'll help Iowa out. I don't want to steal his kill though. It's gonna be mad if he steals kill. Oh, no, I missed those shows. Got one. North Carolina can hit me. Wow, we are losing really, really bad. I can't get my dispersion right, man. Look at that. Those shells are way off. Yeah, no kidding. Of course we get over pens. Oh, North Carolina tried firing on me. Stop. No, I'm dead. No. Okay, that dispersion was a lot better. That's more like a citadel. Nope. It's not a citadel. And I'm still detected. Okay, Carolina can
That's
hit
how
me.
it's done.
That's a tech tree battleship. It's an American tech tree battleship. I'm dead. Oh my god, I got lucky. Holy shit. Holy shit. I have one more res, and that's it. And that's all I get, man. 58,000 health is what I really need, but... I don't know if North Carolina fired any more shells. Pretty sure that was it. King George is gonna die. Just hate how this thing takes so long to move. Like, once you're on the move, it's so hard to stop. But then, it's like moving is worse than a World War I battleship. Oh my god.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Savetsky? Oh. Alright, we're about to lose King George. So, well, maybe not if King George keeps his side that way.
Good game,
I should have
everyone.
done that. That was his kill. Yeah.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
Yeah, that shit didn't feel right. Well, he didn't get torped, which is good. But he took out most of Kid. I don't want to go over there. Who is that cruiser? Alaska or Orkin? Oh wait, no, Orkan's a destroyer. Shit. That is Alaska over there. He's all by himself against Gneisenau and York. I can't do this. I can't do this, dude. I have to go, man. Oh my god, we just lost Orkan to Van Spedge. To be honest, I don't think I've played with these high tier of boats before and lived this long with the Collingwood. I mean, we're gonna lose, there's no question about that. But I feel like I want to get a couple more kills in before we're gone. Nice job, Alaska. Oh, no. Well, it's more with the fucking third party. That is North Carolina facing rear, going straight out that way. I don't want to go after him.
Requesting assistance. Teammate, I need your support.
Oh, King George is dead. That's Vance back and Sasuke. I'm about to see Torps in a minute. Oh, what? Damn, bro. He fucking took out North Carolina. Wow, where's the Torps? Where's the Torps? I would think they would launch Torps on them. Yep, there we go. There's the Torps. Goodbye.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Somebody's in 14-kilometer range. Who the fuck?
Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh, you piece of shit. Oh my god.
Torpedoes to starboard. We're hull below the waterline.
That's what he meant by +1. Oh my god. Fucking hell, bro. I should have turned that shit on before. When I should have turned that shit on when I got detected. Dude. That's total bullshit.
The enemy is about to win.
That's total bull. Alright, bros. Peace out.